sila, oh. Diba? So noisy, my sister. We're here na in the stone cabin. She just see the big rock there. She went already there. This is the nicer path. Oh, see, this is the better path. You make me go there to the Beshi path. Okay, sister, we're back in the main trail, sister. There's a very happy
Lantau Trail.
Lantau Trail. There's a very interesting happening a while ago, but there's no proof, sister. Walang prueba. Look at that. Okay, going to Lin Fashion now. Leaving Sunset Peak for our last peak. And then we will go down in Tung Chung. And it's time 5:07. So if you want to go to Wong Lung Hang, you can take this path. But we will not take this because we will go to Lin Fashion. There. Layo-layo pa, pero malapit na. Approaching Lin Fashion Trail. Okay, going now to Lin Fashion. Going up Lin Fashion Peak. There is it. That's where we came from, Sunset Peak. With Lantau and Nainakshan. Tignan mo, Batch. Look at that! The 3 peaks that we first went to. Nainakshan, Lantau Peak, and Sunset Peak. And then this is Lin Fashion, but we need to go down. Still have 2 peaks to go. Okay, still a long way to go. First time here in this trail. Ha? No, galing ng sunset. Kalahati lang yung nadaanan natin noon. Siya talaga. Nagbo-vlog ako eh. Look at that. Okay. Hindi, yung Samshanwat yan. Okay, going out from Crouching. Okay. Almost. Going to Bukwal. So this is going to Paktoyan Babach. Yeah, but we will not go there na because we need to take this way going down. Okay, we're done with our 8 peaks for today. So, nag-exit na kami dun sa favorite exit namin pag nandito kami sa trail na to. Pababa na ulit siya. Di bali, pababa naman na. And it's already 6:35. Ayan, pababa na kami. So, later na ulit ang video. Bye muna. Okay, from there, we were exit na. Kaya mamaya ulit, baka kasi madulas ako ulit. See you in Tongchong! Niwan ako ng kasama ko, alam niya nang injured yung tuhod ko. Yan o. Iba na kami. See you! See you in Tongchong. Guys, pang-apat na namin sa trail na to. Pang-apat na naming beses bumaba sa trail na to.
Buti na lang.
For today's video.
Namin mga sariling ituloy, guys.
Buti na lang talaga.
Kasi ang dalawang peak, guys, ay napaka-friendly. It's along the way and then, sakop siya sa 100 radius.
Buti na lang
Pareho,
talaga.
both.
May taga-pilit.
Oo, pang 100. Hindi mo pa ituloy. Tambala ko.
So sabi ko, pwede ko naman kunin sa 12 yung pag wala si Aramo ko. Sabi ko.
Akala ko, didiretso lang tayo. Tapos hindi lang tayo. Sabi ko, baka aakit pa yung dalawang peak. Sa isip ko naman. Kung anong the way naman.
Buti na lang, hindi pala aakyat.
Bumalik kang bumalik. Ayaw ko mo.
Okay guys, we're done! Woo! Anong oras? 7:12. 6:50 to 7:12.
Alas 3 sa sunset, di ba? Nag-start tayo.
Guys, binaba namin yun ng 7:45 to 7. So guys, binaba namin yun. Nag-start kami 6:45. So, nakababa kami mismo dito sa Highway 712. So, more than 20 minutes. 27 minutes. Heroin mo yun? Ang hirap nung babahan na yun. As in, sinusumpa ko yung babahan na yun. Pero no choice kami. Oh. Dito na kasi kami mismo sa Tongchong nun. So, yun nga. I finished Lantau March. But, Lantau March, the real start of it is in Muiwo. Via Namshan, then Sunset Peak to Lantau Peak, and then it will end in Ngongping. So that's Lantau March. Pero itong hike na to, ginawa ko siya from Nainakshan, Lantau Peak, and then nag-side trip pa kami sa Shungyangshan. Basta yung peak na doon. And then Sunset Peak, Itongshan, Linfashan, Paktoyan, tsaka Porkashan. O, diba? So, 8 peaks siya.
Sabihin mo lahat ng mga ganyan.
Diba? And we completed our 100 peaks today. Yay! Woo! And that's my hiking body na hindi nag-give up sa akin pag umatras na ako. Thank you, we're done!